Industrial and Engineering Expo, INDEXPO, which is open from today for 3 days, 11th, 12th and 13th of April. This entry to this exhibition is free for all industrialists, business people, even students also. They can come and visit this expo and explore the business opportunities here, business opportunities for startups, industries. So this is a platform to meet industrial suppliers, manufacturers and distributors, dealers for all these industrial products, hand tools, machine tools. This year our focus is on CNC and laser machines. So people, even they can start their business with a very small amount, entering into the designing, architecture. So CNC machines are going to be very useful for them. They can explore here the possibility how these machines can be used by them in their work, day-to-day work. Even industries, these machines can be used. There are about 4,000 to 5,000 industrial products on display in this exhibition. So people can take the advantage of all these exhibitors. They can meet here. There is employment generation possibilities for students here. They can explore the possibility by talking to these industries. We welcome all the people and appeal to the industries to send maximum people in this exhibition.
So Shri Agarwal ji has a track record in organizing the exhibitions across the India. So we are blessed that this is a second edition of Industrial Expo to Visakhapatnam. So I request the people from the Visakhapatnam incubation centers, IBFC centers, innovation centers, industrial hubs are requested to visit here and take the benefit of this expo in the concept of B2B, B2C, and the building the gap between the industry and the academy and the rest of all related to the marketing and all. Where one entrepreneur might be he become the employer, so that he will give the employment to the all. So last year when we take about the Industrial Expo 42 edition, that time we received around some 60,000 people visited here, and there was a footfall related to business around the 8 to 10 crores. So which was given related to the more emphasis on the GST, transportation, and even food sector was a little bit enhanced during the